I'm Jeff here at JLC-Tech, where we manufacture the T-Bar LED product line. We create the only patented lighting products that replace the cross members in a suspended ceiling system. We have a new ceiling grid installation, and I'm going to show you how our lighting products install into it. There are two easy ways to install the T-Bar LED. One is the Armstrong X LED clip designed exclusively for Armstrong ceilings. With this clip, the T-Bar LED installs just like a typical cross tee into a 9/16 or 15/16 grid without any tools. It does not need a support wire like a standard light fixture, as it is seismically tested with Armstrong ceilings to become a structural part of their system. It's important to note that the T-Bar LED does not replace the main runners in a grid ceiling assembly. We also have the universal clip for all other manufacturers' ceiling types. With this clip, the T-Bar LED attaches to the grid using a simple hex key. So in this section of the ceiling, we want to do a geometric T of light. So to accomplish that, we use a 4-foot T-Bar LED intersecting with a 2-foot T-Bar LED at its midpoint. The T-Bar LED 4L model has 2 feet of light and 2 feet machined flat to replicate the grid. Because cross tees never intersect at the ends, the 4L allows you to intersect a T-Bar LED at the midpoint of another to create 90 degrees of light, allowing you to design geometric shapes and step outside your typical linear installations. The T-Bar LED is a 24-volt low-voltage product, so it's safe Class 2 wiring for easy field connections. You can do up to 12 feet of T-Bar LED per power supply, so we start with the first one and connect it to our power feed. It just so happens that our two shapes right here are 12 feet, so we can do all of these on a single 100-watt remote power supply. Or if you had more lights in your installation, we have a pre-connected 400-watt kit, so you can have up to 48 feet of T-Bar LED off one of those power supplies. Here's our last light, and there's the completed shape. The T-Bar LED block lenses come with a factory-installed protective wrapping on them to protect the fixtures during installation. So once all your fixtures are installed and your connections are made, you can carefully remove this protective masking to expose the final optic. And that completes our installation. The T-Bar LED is a simple product to install, requiring less overall installation time while also reducing construction waste. Third-party studies have shown that installing our product saves you up to 50% in installation costs. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the T-Bar LED and other products by JLC-Tech, visit our website, jlctech.com.